How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to another video. I just want to say very quickly, I apologize for the lack of uploads. However, I'm back to being consistent now, as you can probably tell. But today I wanted to show you two trades I've taken in the past 2 days, which has equal to about 3%, which is very, very nice. I'm going to talk you through why I took them, the breakdown behind them, and yeah, how I basically made the 6% in the last 2 days. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate everyone watching and subscribing. And yeah, let's get into the breakdown. As you can see, if I zoom out a bit, last week we had GU drop a lot and sell down all the way down to 1.2122 area. I had this white line marked. That was basically like my full sell target. However, price did not reach that, but that was low enough for me to confirm that we wanted to start to look for price to go to the upside. So how I caught this first trade was quite simple. So we had price come in down here and bottom out. Now I was waiting for price to break in a way that would symbolize that it would want to go to the upside. So all I did was I sat through all of this here, and all I did was I waited for price to break this area here. Why this area? I'm not going to say like exactly why. People in my Telegram will know why. I spoke about this trade in a lot more depth on there, so if you want to join that, check that out. But yeah, so price came into this area, came down, and then we bottomed out at this low here. As you can see, it was above this low here. So once I saw that, I knew it was a good opportunity to get into buys. So there are lots of different ways you could get into this trade. You know, for example, you could use a break and retest kind of thing. You could use an order block if you trade order blocks like that. You can use fibs, whatever it is that you like using. You can use to enter. I'm sure there's indicators that probably are similar as well. In fact, if you draw it from the previous one, so from New York this day to the previous New York, so you can see how price came in and tapped pretty much near into the volume area. So you could have taken it like that. However you trade, again, I'm not going to say exactly why I took the entry or my entry criteria, but we got into the trade there. There should be a screenshot somewhere around here of the trade, just to prove that I took them. And then it was very simple, a nice little 1 to 3, and we hit TP fairly quick. So that was the first trade that we made 3% on. Then we come to today's trade, or when currently filming today's trade, which was this sell here. Again, I put this in my Telegram saying that we were looking for sells, and I've also will be doing a breakdown, like a full breakdown video on this one as well, and this one's already in there. So yeah, so the reason why I took this sell, because a lot of people were saying, well, you were buying yesterday, why are you now selling? I look at trends slightly differently. I do them on one time frame. I don't really look at the overall trend. And so the reason why I wanted to sell was because price had come down, broken all these lows here and here, and then we had a break of this low here, which if you look was sort of like the low that pushed up past the last series structure and created the high. So it was like a serious low to break. So when we broke that down here, that was a good sign that we wanted to sell. And then very simply, we waited for price to come back into this area here, like this. And we got the entry. Again, I'll put the screenshot up to show that I took this trade. And it was a nice little 1 to 3 again, just like that. So yeah, it was very simple trading, nothing too difficult. So we ended, well, in the last 2 days, we're up 6%, which is very, very nice. I hope everyone enjoyed the breakdown today. Hopefully you could learn something from it. Hopefully you could take something away from it and utilize it in your own trading. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.